Akiaria hindi ya kuheana ndumiriri yegie murimu wa COVID-19, murugamiriri wa ngwataniro ya ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi augite ati uthii wa na mbere niguo guteithiriria hanene hari gwetha njanjo ya murimu wa COVID-19 niguo kuhukia kaimana.
Of course, with more connectedness, the virus has better chance of spreading. It can move fast because we are more connected now. But at the same time, we have also the technology to stop it and the knowledge to stop it. So we have a disadvantage of globalization, closeness, connectedness, but an advantage of better technology.
No na kuri uguo bara ya kuhukia COVID-19 iri na mihiga yaguo ta kuona netho itaroneka nerata bana njira nene.
So we hope to finish this pandemic before less than 2 years, especially if we can pull our efforts together and with national unity, global solidarity. That's really key, with utilizing the available tools to the maximum and hoping that we can have additional tools like vaccine. I think we can finish it in a shorter time than the 1918 flu.
Oho, murugamiriri wa maundu ma ciana ugite ati ciana nini citire hatikaine ya gutambia murimu uyu gukiringithanio na aria mari gatagati-ini ka miaka 13 nginya 19.
And there appears to be a difference in transmission by age group, with the younger children able to transmit less than teenagers, for example. But this data is really limited, and there are some studies that are ongoing.
Gukinyiria riu thiini wa thi makiria ya andu milioni 22 niyo marwarite murimu uyu wa COVID-19 guku angi 790 magikua na angi milioni 14 ni mahonete. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Winnie Kimani.